This is London with MarketHedge, taking a look at those 5 orders. You recall the trade, $1,000 has turned into $25,000. Let's discuss the orders. Let's talk about the hedge. I hope you're having a great weekend. It's nice and sunny here in California. Taking a look at the move to the upside, these were our entries. We caught that bottom. How many orders did it take? Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 orders. We entered in at $222. That's it, guys. On each order, at $222 was the leverage. So it was a nice move. We're finally at that level of resistance. Boom. Here across the top. I said it was what? 108.5 thereabouts. We're at that level. Now, the question is, do we push? Guys, with $1,000 turning into $25K, it would be nice to see $1,000 turn into, say, 50 to 75K. Let's go ahead and just push. If it knocks us out down into the ground, we'll take it. All right, we'll take it. Let's push and see what Bitcoin has got. Yes, it's a dangerous move, but let's go. Now, in terms of the move from yesterday, and shout out to all the VIP. Hope you're having a great weekend. Shout out to Luke. What's up, my man? Hope you're doing well. In terms of the move from yesterday, let's take a look. We got the pop to the upside. This was a separate account, separate trade I wanted to do for illustrative purposes. In terms of this $4,700 currently in the profit, what's that from? Well, you'll recall that I took the low to the high, okay? I said, let's just go on a baseline Fibonacci. Let's cover the top 1, 2 levels down to that 38.2, and let's spread about 50K over those top 2 orders, those top 2 levels of the Fibonacci. Yes, with what? With longs. Bam, bam, bam. You guys will recall that. You can watch yesterday's video if you like, but we put $250 between each order at 75x, okay? So 75 was the leverage with 250 between each order. We put 10 total orders, okay? So we wanted to cover about $2,500 in price. The important thing, which I haven't really focused on, is when I set up a hedge like that, I'm going to pick up one order automatically. That's the beautiful thing about the hedge. You see, you're preserving some of your capital in the background. You're saying, yes, I want to go long. I think we're going to pop this bull flag, but I'm not going to just hammer in all of my capital into the equation. So that first top level does pick up. It picks up in terms of long. Then we have all this room. If it wanted to dig down and go to the upside, then things become a little bit more interesting long term. So the market makers didn't want to come down and pick up all my orders. So we'll take it where it's at, guys. $4,700. Let's keep this riding and see if Bitcoin can produce up along this top line, up and out, and give a breakout opportunity. At least right now, let's say we're pre-positioned quite well. Do you agree? We are very well pre-positioned for a breakout, and this is the diciest time. You guys will agree this is the diciest time to be involved or to try and get involved once we're up and out of, bam, this specific bull flag on Bitcoin. The 4-hourly chart will tell the story, but this is the pickup you want. Ideally, you want it much heavier, much heavier than a $25,000 profit position. Agreed. In terms of MarketHedge, I want to salute and shout out to everybody who is looking forward to using it. You guys know who you are, and I'm looking forward to bringing it to you. This is London. Let's see if Bitcoin can get out, up, and over this line of resistance. It is a push play, meaning if you are at the table with the dealer and you say, let's go ahead and push this, let's roll, let's do it. Be prepared. Lock in profits. Always a nice idea. If you're capable enough to trade this bull flag up and out and over with a confirmation, meaning the bulls retest, really the bears force bulls to retest line of resistance, then up and out and over. If we get a clean break and upshot, guys, let's roll with it. This is London with MarketHedge. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.